What is up, guys? It's your boy Evan, and today I'm going to be showing you where all the power switches are in Zombies in Spaceland Infinite Warfare. So enjoy.
Creep on in.
So the first power switch is when you start off. You usually spawn right here. Then you have to go to this room that says power this way, and then you see it right there. So now let's move to the next room. So the next power switch is in Journey into Space. There's actually two of them, one on the left and one on the right. But first I like to go to the one on the left. So you have to buy this. You have to go over here and select where the trap will spawn. Go to this place and you'll see the power switch on your left. And the next one is still in Journey into Spaceland, but then this time it's on the right side of Journey into Spaceland. So you have to go in, and it's the way to the arcade. So you see it right here, and then there's a power switch right next to the door with zombies. So the fourth power switch is in Polar Peak. It's in Polar Peak next to the ride, which I'll show you where it's next to. So you buy it here, and then you see the ride right there. There's a little entry door right here. So then you turn on the power switch for that. So the next and final power switch is at Kepler system, and there's a little door right here, and a lot of people think it's a troll where it's at, because it's up the stairs and it said power this way. A lot of people are going there, but then the power switch is right here. So those are all 5 power switches that lead to the Pack-a-Punch room where you could teleport to. I'll just teleport there really quick. I don't want to go past that. That scares me. Alright, so right now I'm gonna go to Pack-a-Punch room, even though I can't get my Pack-a-Punch because I don't have 5,000. But I'm gonna go inside the Pack-a-Punch room. Well, oh yeah, because I died. So I started this thing all over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And peace.